Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, first we need to find out what is our current version of the software, because on Samsung phones it works in that way that we cannot install older version of the software than our current version. It won't simply load. So we can install the same version or higher. Now, to check it, open up the settings, scroll all the way down, find About Phone, go into Software Information, and in here we have our current version. Once we know what is our version, we need to power off our device. So simply hold the power button and click on power off. Also, if your phone doesn't turn on, it's looped on the loading screen, we can check the version in recovery mode, but to do it, to enter recovery mode, we need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into our computer, and now we need to connect the cable and hold power key, Bixby and volume up at the same time until Samsung logo appears. When it appears, release the finger from power key but keep holding Bixby and volume up. So hold the keys, release the finger from power button and keep holding. Okay, and in that place we can see our current version of the software. Okay, if it's done, select power off using volume keys and confirm by clicking power button. Let's unplug the cable. Now, we need to visit our page on our computer and go into download. We need to install Samsung drivers, click on search and download these drivers. Then type Odin and download the latest version 3.14.4 and then click on download. Then open up a new tab, type SM G975F firmware, open up the page. In my case, I'm using this page. It works good for me. Now scroll down, type the country or the CSC code. In my case, I'll type Poland. And in here we have 5 versions. My phone is non-branded by any mobile operator, because in Poland sometimes phones are branded with they are branded by mobile operators with some extra apps or I don't know, custom loading screens, etc, etc. And in here we have those mobile operators: the TPL, OPV, PLS and PRT. I have non-branded version, so I need to select XEO, scroll down, and as you could remember, we had this version UGHVJ5, so we can install the same version or higher, for example this one or this one. It is up to you. Let's install maybe this version, so I'll just need to click on that. Now scroll down, select the download path. I'll select the second link. And now click on download. Okay, it's installing. So now we can open up the downloads folder and we need to extract Samsung USB drivers and our Odin. Here they are. You can use WinRAR for it. Right click WinRAR and extract to, or you can click on extract all and click on extract. You need to do this for the Odin and Samsung USB drivers. Then open up Samsung USB driver folder and install the drivers. In my case, they're already installed. But if you are installing it for the first time, after the installation process, I highly recommend to restart your computer so everything will work properly. It's up to you what you will do, but I recommend to restart the computer. Then we can launch the Odin. Click on OK. We have our app. Also, we will have to extract our ROM when it gets installed, so we need to wait a little bit. 1 minute left, so let's be patient. Okay, in the meantime, we need to turn on our phone in the download mode. Phone needs to be turned off, and now we need to hold power key and volume. Volume down and Bixby key at the same time. And we need to insert the cable, but don't release the buttons. Wait until the menu appears and then release. Now, click on volume up once. Okay, as you can see, we are in the download mode. And also in Odin app, if you can see those numbers under ID.com, it means that our phone has been properly connected with our computer and the Odin app sees our phone simply. Okay, let's wait until our ROM installs. Okay. Now open up the downloads folder and we need to extract this file. So again, WinRAR and click on extract to. Okay, now we can go back into Odin and now click on BL, go into downloads, open up the folder with your stock ROM. We have clicked on BL, so select the BL file, click on open, then click on AP and load the AP file. It's going to load a little bit longer because AP is a big file. So we just need to simply be patient. Okay, now CP. And now CSC, and it's important to select CSC OXM. When we select that, our phone will perform a factory reset. The new flash stock ROM will be installed and our phone will be like completely clear, like brand new. So select CSC OXM, click on open. Okay, and now click on start. As you can see, the process is going. And now we just need to simply wait until it's finished, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, the process has finished. When it says pass in the Odin app, it means that everything went successfully. As you can see, our phone started to turn on. We can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore, and now all we need to do is to go through the setup process quickly. So let's wait until the phone turns on, then we'll go into settings and we'll verify is everything okay, and we will check the version. Did everything went successfully? So I'll see you in a second. Okay, the setup process appeared. So select your language and click on continue. actually click on start. And now let's click on agree, next, more, and agree. Let's skip the Wi-Fi so the process will be much faster. Let's close the Odin also. Don't copy. Next. More, accept. Skip anyway. Skip. Finish. Alright, let's open up the settings. Boom. Scroll all the way down. About phone, software information, and as you take a look, our new flash. Our stock ROM has been properly and successfully installed. That's the version that we have downloaded from here. You can take a look. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.